guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the all new CUKTECH power bank, as you can see right here. So this power bank is a 25,000 mAh, as you can see. So yeah, let's unbox to find out is it really worth it or not. Okay, so guys, let's unbox this right now. First we're gonna open this on the top. So the box is really simple. Okay, it's like just take the power bank out and yeah, and there is one more box right here. Now it's empty inside. So there is a user manual, as you can see, as usual. There is a power bank case, which is cool, and a power bank charging cable. As you can see right here, this is actually a type C to type C cable. So yeah, and the box, yeah, that's all. For the power bank itself, this is what it looks like. The feel of it, if you guys are curious, this is the sound, ASMR. For the front, this is made of plastic, and for the sides, it's solid. And this is the back, the bottom, and the top. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Oops, yep. When I click this button, oh guys, look at this. The screen is quite futuristic, as you can see. Now I'm gonna test it out and see is it really worth it or not. Okay guys, and for the weight, of course, it's a little heavy, but it's acceptable because of the 25,000 mAh, you can see. So yeah, it's actually not that heavy. It's if you guys are going for a camping or a road trip or maybe a beach getaway, this power bank is suitable because it's 25,000 mAh. Like, it can charge up to many times, and you can even share it with your family or friends. Like, yeah, just one power bank and you can use it for quite some time. That's the benefit of having the CUKTECH power bank, which is 25,000 mAh, as you can see. If you guys are planning to get a lighter power bank, I would suggest another CUKTECH power bank, which is the CUKTECH 10,000 mAh, as you can see right here. This is the product that I reviewed previously from CUKTECH, and it's pretty good. This is the size comparison. This is the 10,000 mAh CUKTECH power bank, and this is my hand, the palm. And the weight is pretty light, as you can see. And for the 25,000 CUKTECH power bank, this is the size compared to my palm. Of course, there is a weight difference right there, and a size difference, as you can see. So yeah, if you guys are interested to hear more about the CUKTECH 10,000 mAh power bank, you guys can click the link up there. So yeah, back to the power bank. I'm just gonna read the user manual for some time and get back to you guys, okay? Hey guys, I've just read the user manual of this power bank, and for the CUKTECH 20 power bank, as I can see right here, and I've tested just now, I've connected the power bank to my phone, as you can see. I'm currently testing it on the iPhone 14 Pro, and this is it. It's charging, and it's charging pretty fast. Right now my battery is on 69%, as you can see right here. It's on 69%, and let's see how fast it takes to reach 70%. Okay guys, now it's 70%. As you can see, it's 70 guys. I did not fast forward this video, it's all live. So guys, for the power bank build quality, I would like to talk more about that. For the build quality, I can see it's a solid power bank, and the thing that I like about this power bank the most is the design on the front, as you can see right here. Every time when I charge it, the line here goes down, as you can see. The line goes down. that's why I like it the most, because it looks futuristic and, you know, modern. So yeah, and for the size of it, it's actually the size of a soda can, if you guys notice, the size of a soda can. And for the weight of it, how do I compare it? The weight of it is like a soda can filled with soda. So yeah, that's the weight of it. That's what I can describe from my perspective, but of course everyone's perspective is different. But for mine, it's like, it's not bad. The weight is not that heavy, it's not that light. It's like, it's suitable for a 25,000 mAh, guys. Come on, it's 25,000 mAh. What do you expect? Like, yeah. So yeah, and the thing I like about this power bank, the next thing is the 3 ports right here. There is USB, Type-C and Type-C. It means you can charge 3 phones at once, and it means you can share with your friends or family during a road trip or anything like that. So yeah, that's why this power bank is unique. Now I'm gonna talk about, is this power bank worth it or not? So if you guys were to ask me, this power bank, compared to many power banks in the market out there, this power bank is considered good quality and fast charging. As I've demonstrated just now, how fast it charges my phone from 69% to 70%. I did not fast forward the video, it's all live, guys. So yeah, and the color of this gray is like a grayish matte gray and black combo. Makes the power bank looks premium. It's like a premium power bank, and yeah, I really like the solid feeling of it. It's like, it's really solid, guys. Like, I couldn't feel any sound when I'm shaking it, or any like, I don't feel I could break this power bank easily. That's what I'm saying. If you're going on long road trips or any trips like require a lot of GPS, using like GPS navigation on your phone, and your phone needs to be charged, or if you're going on a business trip, this power bank is suitable because it can charge laptop, phones, any phones, Galaxy S24 Ultra, iPhone, up to iPhone 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max. Like, it can charge any phone, any devices, it's compatible. That's how amazing this power bank is. Like, I'm shocked to see CUKTECH created such an amazing power bank. Like, yeah, it has 25,000 mAh. Of course, it can last some time. It can last a long time, if I would say. Like, and also it's airplane safe, so you can just bring this anywhere. So yeah, that's how nice this is. I would definitely recommend this power bank, and yes, it's useful. Compared to many power banks out there in the market, there are some power banks which is on the same price range as this one, but not as good quality. So yeah, that's the advantage of CUKTECH. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video helpful, guys. See you guys in the next one.